secant A plus tan A equal to x, secant A plus tan A equal to x, then secant A equal to 4 different expressions. Secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A equal to 1, because secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1. But secant A plus tan A equal to x, therefore secant A minus tan A equal to 1 by this expression, that is 1 by x. Now secant A plus tan A equal to x, adding this, our aim is to find the value of secant A, so eliminate tan A, adding 2 secant A equal to 1 by x plus x, which is equal to x square plus 1 by x, secant A equal to x square plus 1 by 2x. Option D. Problems related with these identities are very important for 1 mark question, so concentrate more on identities with different sign, that is secant square A minus tan square A and cosecant square A minus cot square A.